Hadi Choopan, known worldwide as the Persian Wolf, is once again at the center of bodybuilding's biggest stage, the 2025 Mr. Olympia. The Iranian superstar, a former Olympia champion, has built a legacy on precision, density, and razor-sharp conditioning, and his journey to the 2025 competition is one of determination and redemption. After intense visa delays and travel uncertainty, Choopan finally arrived in the US just days before the event, immediately linking up with his coach Hany Rambod for final preparations. His focus remains fixed on reclaiming the Sandow Trophy and proving that his 2022 Olympia victory was no one-time feat. Choopan's competitive resume speaks volumes. He took the Olympia crown in 2022, placed second behind Derek Lunsford in 2023, and finished runner-up again in 2024, narrowly losing to Samson Dauda. Yet, despite those close calls, Choopan's year was marked by dominance elsewhere, winning both the 2024 Arnold Classic US and Arnold Classic UK titles. Those victories reminded fans that his blend of muscle maturity, tight conditioning, and flawless presentation keeps him among the elite. His consistency and ability to peak multiple times a year have become defining traits of his career. Heading into the 2025 Olympia, Choopan's training intensity has been on another level. Recent sessions shared on social media show him deadlifting immense weights, 260 kilograms for multiple reps, and even 400 kilograms on a machine set. His workouts emphasize back thickness, hamstring separation, and overall density, ensuring that he brings one of the heaviest, most detailed physiques on stage. According to reports, Choopan has been training under Rambod's FST7 method, focusing on extreme muscle stretching and volume to enhance roundness and detail. Every set, every rep, appears to be driven by the hunger to reclaim the title that slipped away. Physique updates leading into the contest showed Choopan fuller and drier than ever, with improved leg sweep and sharper lines across his chest and shoulders. His symmetry, which once lagged behind some competitors, now appears tighter and more balanced. Fans and analysts alike have noted that his conditioning could be his sharpest since 2022, a critical factor given that Olympia judging in recent years has rewarded not just mass, but overall aesthetics and presentation. The 2025 Olympia lineup, however, is fierce. Samson Dauda, the reigning champion, continues to improve in fullness and shape. Derek Lunsford, the 2023 winner, is seeking redemption after last year's defeat. Nick Walker, known for his freakish density, is back stronger than ever. Against such elite competition, Choopan's chances depend on bringing a combination of conditioning, crispness, and posing mastery. He's not just fighting for another title, he's fighting to prove that his reign as Mr. Olympia was not just a moment in time, but a legacy in progress. Despite the distractions, Choopan's mindset remains unshaken. His social media posts reflect intense focus, faith, and mental toughness. He often speaks of representing Iran and inspiring athletes across the Middle East, reinforcing his pride and motivation beyond the competition itself. For him, Olympia 2025 is more than a title, it's a mission to reclaim respect, silence critics, and remind the world that the Persian Wolf still dominates the hunt. As Olympia weekend nears, fans anticipate a showdown for the ages. The question isn't whether Hadi Choopan will be ready. It's whether anyone else can withstand the level of perfection he plans to bring. His mission is not only to win, but to remind the world that he is still the embodiment of perseverance and professional pride. Every year, he proves that true champions are defined not by setbacks, but by comebacks. If Choopan steps on stage at his absolute best, full, dry, symmetrical, and commanding, the Persian Wolf may once again rise to the top of the bodybuilding world.
Whether he reclaims the Sandow or not, one truth remains certain. Hadi Choopan's name will forever be etched in Olympia history as one of the most relentless, passionate, and inspiring bodybuilders of his era.